Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, we're going to break down the trading day we had over our vacation, the first trading day to be exact. Last Monday it was. We got stuck in a halt going up two times on BBLG. We did go live off our balcony in Mexico. So how did the day turn out? Did we profit? Did we lose? What happened with this crazy crap Wi-Fi? Did we even trade? So all that and more coming right up. So this is BBLG. We did actually capture it live for you guys. Now, when I was trading this, all I was looking for was the break of the pre-market high. You see me do this all the time. It was set at 550. Now, not a good pre-market setup. Why? Because it had a strong move to the upside. Went from $3 all the way up to $5.50, and then by the time market opened, it already sold off all the way back down to pretty much where it started at. Not a good pre-market setup. I wasn't really adamant about trading it. Now what happened was I got stuck in halt going up, and for some odd reason, orders are still going through when it was halted. Mine weren't, obviously, but it was like 1 or 2 share orders, enough to throw the price off. I'm not quite sure why. I don't think I've ever seen that. That's why you see some of these doji candles. And then it resumed right here at 450, went higher, got halted again. You see all those doji candles, resumed higher, broke 516. I said, okay, game time on this one. So I set my orders to buy at 550 for the break of the pre-market high. Now, I did take 2 trades in this, hence why there was 24,000 shares. Each trade was 12,000 shares, about 50 to 60 grand each position, each trade, I should say. So all I did was I bought for the break of the pre-market high, this red line. Now the cool thing about it was the pre-market high, you see this a lot, often is a good psychological resistance line. It was 550, so when I saw it break 550, I purchased. I purchased quite a bit. I was getting filled all the way up from 550 all the way up to 576. As you can see, that my most recent fill right there. And then when it broke 6, I started selling over 6. Now, this is where it got really tricky because we were stuck in a halt going up, resumed higher, and I was lagging. My goodness, it was not updating. It was not good. I was watching the charts off my phone, trying to trade with the team, and so I clicked flatten, tried to get out of it, just praying that I can get out of at whatever price point possible. Now, I was going to sell over 6 anyways. I told the team that, over 625 preferably. Now, what ended up happening was I filled all of it at 636. So the high there was 649. I probably would have held for a break of 650, and then when we didn't get that, I probably would have sold on the way down somewhere in this area. I'm not quite sure. That was a really good fill, in my opinion. A really good fill, especially because we were lagging. So glory to God in that one. Thank God we were able to clear $15,000 profit. I'm going to roll a clip now of me sitting outside my balcony trading. It was a beautiful view. And it just goes to show that this is exactly why I got into trading, to be my own boss, to make money anywhere, relatively any time. Now, market opened at 9:30 down there. They still follow Eastern Standard Time. So it wasn't really at any time. I still had to wake up. It wasn't early, but on vacation rather early, I guess, after a late night. But it pays off, especially just because I could bring my laptop and I could pay for the entire trip. 1 day trading. Obviously, it doesn't always work out like that. We just had a good opportunity presented to us. I didn't want to miss. I thought about maybe just not trading the entire trip. A lot of people were telling me to do that, but I just can't. I can't do that. I would hate to miss opportunities like this. And thank God we traded. It was only 30 minutes to an hour, so it really was not that bad. For example, by the time I sold, it wasn't even 10 a.m. yet. So I worked 30, 45 minutes maybe if you count the pre-market prep. Not bad for about $15,000 profit. So good days of work. The other days on the vacation, some days I didn't trade. One day I had a decent day just off of a TQQ swing, but that's about it. But hopefully you guys did enjoy the BBLG recap. There wasn't much Sorry it's not really fresh in my mind. This was a few days ago, but glad I was able to capture it live with the team. If you guys want to join the team and watch me trade each and every single day, head over to profitchasers.net or the first or second link in the description. I'm not quite sure. I think it's the second one. But profitchasers.net if you guys would like to join the team and watch me trade live each and every single morning. Peace, guys.